Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel in which we feature only the craziest encounters ever caught on bikers camera, and this episode surely won't disappoint you. Let's not waste much time and dive straight into it. Enjoy! From what I managed to understand, it came to a heated road rage argument, all because the driver got cut off by the biker. The lady in the car got her fragile ego hurt, and she did the most reckless thing. Confronting a huge group of bikers is never a good thing to do. Check out how this crazy situation turned out. Biker did not appreciate being tailgated, and rightly so, since bikers are not protected and in case of a crash, they'll always suffer an injury. Drivers on the other hand, just don't care or they don't think it through.
You're sitting up my arse, you dumb you arse. I'm the one on the back. Sorry about that.
It would be an understatement to say that the biker lost his cool here. Careless driver simply cut him off without looking at all, and an accident was avoided only because the biker was doing the speed limit.
Bro, what the dude? What the was that, bro? You just took, dude. What the dude? You're sorry? Well, how about I'll never do that again? How about I'll look from now on? How about you almost me up just now? That would have cost you a bunch of money too. Goddamn, dude. Pay attention, man. Goddamn, bro. Scared the out of me. I deserve that. I wasn't even speeding. You went from this lane to that lane to take a right turn. The stupidest thing I've seen all week. God, bro. Dude. Jesus Christ.
A minute or so after the biker's angry outburst on the reckless driver, we come to see a completely different side to him as well. Check out how this conversation turned out.
Hey man, please buy a helmet. I just said please buy a helmet. Oh, a helmet? Yeah, please. And gloves, dude. I've seen too many guys die on so many of these. I agree. Yeah, you could just get right up. And look, you get a cardo and you're jamming some music. You know what I mean? Alright, bro. Love you, man.
Little fella didn't want to let the biker pass before extracting something from him. A typical street situation. It became really awkward, but the taxi driver who was next to the boy dealt with this traffic holdup quite easily.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Camera's recording, so watch what you say.
Are you in a hurry?
No, are you paying attention on your
Are
phone?
you in a hurry? I'm going to turn your ass right in.
Go ahead. Hey,
I'm not on my phone.
so the light was green for about 4 seconds and I'm going.
4 seconds.
You want to call the cops? I'll sit right here.
Oh, I'm going to go right across the street. Don't worry.
You want me to come with you?
Yeah,
All right.
you're in the wrong, pal.
I got the whole thing. I got it showing you're not paying attention. I don't give a shit. Go call the cops. I'll sit right here. Bring them over. Come on, bring them over. Come on, bring them over. I can barely hear you. Come on, let's go. Come on, lady, get angry. Come on, keep going. And you think the cops are gonna let you follow me like a maniac? Come on. See ya. Bye.
I don't know exactly why, but this crazy Karen tried to run the biker off the road for some reason. It came to a heated road rage argument between them. Check it out.
Huh? No, she almost killed us. I didn't do anything, that was her. That was her. You too? She almost killed us. Out of here. Hey, who is that? I ain't even. Who the is that old lady?
Angry Karen in a pickup did not care about anyone, and it's clearly visible by the way she cut right in front of the biker. He had to slam his brakes to avoid a fatal injury to himself. I don't know if the biker is on private property or not, but either way, the angry farmer was not pleased at all with him riding around. Watch what happened, and he tried to tackle the biker. It's really mind-boggling to see people pull out onto the road without looking both ways before making sure it's safe. Unbelievable.
Hey, hello? Who's Wolfo? You could have told me. Steve.
Hello there.
This driver sure took his time in changing lanes. He didn't even use his indicators nor check his mirrors. The biker was there and he almost knocked him off his bike as well. It would be very much advisable to use your indicators and check your mirrors, especially during a rush hour.
Ah, galera, hoje o dia foi corrido. Mais cedo eu fiz um vídeo aí pra vocês. Sério, papai? Olha o retrovisor, pai. Não vou nem mais aí. Olha lá. Opa, 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 meu tio.
Guys, please, don't open your door towards the traffic without checking first. You can never know when a biker might appear. And that's exactly the case in this situation.
Eita, eita! Foi pressão.
I always thought that you need to pay extra attention when there's fog outside because of the visibility, but apparently some drivers just don't care.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand. I turned it off!
Oh, God.
You want to get me out of here?
Yeah, now I gotta probably push it out. Look at that water coming out of the airbox.
Now she takes the other side.
Driving in one lane is just not enough for this crazy driver. He needs to take up 2 lanes. One is not enough. Going back to driving school is a must for some drivers nowadays. Check out how this crazy lady didn't want to yield to the biker, and she even purposely swerved into his lane, trying to hit him when he honked at her.
¡Oh, ¿sabés quién tiene la prioridad? ¿Sabés quién tiene la prioridad?
This driver found a rather interesting way of crossing the traffic. Check it out.
Row your boat gently down the stream.
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the biker. He was swerving from lane to lane without even caring if anyone was in traffic besides him. The biker knew something was up and it almost came to a crash. Check it out. Biker saw an opening to go in between 2 vehicles, but it didn't go as he planned it and he almost crashed. Overtaking a group of vehicles at a curve is a big no-no, but this driver just doesn't care.
It'd be nice to learn to use your turn signal when you change lanes. Yes, sir. Thank you.
A lot of drivers nowadays believe that indicating gives them the right of way, but that's actually not the case. Please use your mirrors.
Huh?
Mann. Kann doch nicht wahr sein, ne? Bist du denn für ein Idiot?
There should be never a reason to help someone. Simply do it because you can.
You want some help getting that up?
Thank you. Yeah, that didn't work out so good.
Glad it didn't happen on the freeway. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, no problem. Good luck. Alrighty, take care.
And with this clip, we come to the end of our today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something as well. And if you like this type of content, please hit that like button and subscribe. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.